In today's video, we're talking about how you can make the most out of your cash through automation tools that help you save for your financial goals and optimize your cash. And with the Wealthfront Cash Account, you can set up cash categories, which allow you to divide your cash into several buckets, each dedicated to a specific goal of your choice. So let me show you how this works. All right, so to set up cash categories, you first want to go into your cash account, click Create a Category. You can create any type of category, right? For savings, emergency fund, you want to save for a special gift, maybe even vehicle. Say I want to save for a vacation. I'm going to Italy next year. I want to save 10K for that trip. We're going big. So I'm going to click Vacation, click Create. Let's say I want to create another category. You go back to your category screen. Let's say this time, I just want to have a regular emergency fund. I want to save 15K in this regular emergency fund. So now I have two categories set up. All right, so once you set up your categories for your savings goals, you can then use automation to route cash to these categories and even invest the rest. Here's how to do this. All right, let's go into the automated savings screen. You wanna click Edit Plan. What it's showing me here is that my current plan is to keep a $10,000 balance in the cash account, all right, and then invest the rest. But I actually wanna save a little bit differently in those categories. I'm gonna click Vacation. Then I'm gonna go add a monthly target. Let's say I wanna save $500 a month. And then I wanna add a target balance. Remember, I only wanted to save 10K for that. So let's go to 10K. You can see that I have it set up that I want to save $500 per month until the balance reaches 10K. And remember, that happens after I've saved the 10K in the main cash account. Let's add our second category. Click Add an Account, click Emergency Fund, and we'll do the same thing here. Add a monthly target, $1,000 a month. Add a target balance, 15K. All right, and then I want to move Emergency Fund up. So now we have first keep a $10,000 balance, then save up to $500 a month, up to 10K for travel. And then the third category is the emergency savings. We want to save until you hit 15K. And then the rest of it, if I can save that, I want it to invest. And you click Save. It's that easy. We also offer a super easy way to set up automatic recurring deposits into your Wealthfront Cash Account from your bank. Here's how to set this up. You click Deposit into Wealthfront, to my cash account from Bank of America. Let's say I want to do $500 every week. Every week I want to save $500 from B of A to Wealthfront because I like earning interest. That's it. You can do a frequency of every other week. You have quite a few options there as well. Click Review. So what are you waiting for? Get started with as little as $1 and sign up today.